Hi, I just want to show you a quick trick for taking screen capture, something that I did all the time with the native Mac shortcuts, saving it to my desktop and then uploading it to Claude or ChatGPT. This way, using Claude Desktop, you can just do it directly from your desktop. So let's take a look. This setting is in your personal settings here, Claude Pro. Go to Settings, under General. And then you set this quick access shortcut. So I have mine to be set to tap Option twice. And so I'll show you a little demo here. This is just a Google Maps. I'm going to tap twice on Option. You see how it throws up the tray there? And then the tooltip with my mouse moving is drag to take a screenshot. So I'm just going to drag over these streets here. It attaches that image there and say list the names of the vertical streets. Boom. So that's going to open up a chat. There we go. And there you can see the vertical streets. So it's going to save you a few minutes here and there, and it all adds up. It's a cool little trick. Enjoy. Thanks.